Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack HTTP service error. This error usually happens when Slack cannot connect properly to its services due to network issues, VPN interference, or temporary service problems. The first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable, because an unstable connection is one of the most common reasons for this error. Next, restart Slack and your computer. Press the Windows key, click the power button, and choose Restart. Once your computer restarts, open Slack again. After that, check your VPN settings. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off and try again since it can block or redirect Slack requests. If you are not using a VPN, then you can move on to the next step. Next, clear your browser cache. If you are using Slack in a browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then select cached images, cookies, and other site data before clicking Delete Data. Once done, make sure you are using the latest version of the Slack app because outdated versions can cause connection errors. Finally, check Slack's server status by opening slackstatus.com to see if Slack services are running normally. In most cases, this error is temporary and gets fixed once the connection or server issue is resolved. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.